Hello lovelies. This is the thorn stitch, but don't panic, it's really easy. It's just a couching stitch. I'm using a black thread for my foundation stitch and a red thread for the actual couching stitch itself. The crosses are closer to the thread at the top of the X, and the two bottom parts of the X are further away from that black thread. So I'm going to do this one in slow motion for you. So we're going to bring up our needle through the fabric on one side of the black thread, quite close to it where we want it to be. So we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric, and then we're going to do that diagonal stitch a little bit further away from the black thread. So that's the first part of our X. Take your needle through the fabric and we're going to bring it up at the top of the X again, next to the thread. So this is the one that is going to hold the thread in place. And we're going to take it down diagonally and go in directly opposite the base of that first stitch, but a little bit further away. You can make these X's as big or as small as you like, as close or as far apart as you like. It will just give you a different effect. When you have finished doing all your little thorn stitches, you will take your foundation thread, the black thread, through to the back of the fabric and secure it. Happy stitching!